What truly separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's not luck or secret investments, it's avoiding the urge to look rich. Most millionaires know spending to impress others is the fastest way to lose money. They focus on financial independence, not social validation. The media sells us flashy cars and designer brands as symbols of wealth, but real millionaires quietly build assets, not liabilities. The person with the expensive car might be drowning in debt, while the one with the old sedan could be a millionaire. Self-made millionaires detach their self-worth from possessions and focus on growing their net worth. They delay gratification, resisting lifestyle upgrades with every pay raise. Instead, they use extra income to accelerate wealth, not to inflate expenses. This discipline is the real secret, choosing long-term freedom over short-term flash. The wealthy aren't defined by what they buy, but by what they consistently choose not to buy. Are your spending habits building your future or just building a facade? Lifestyle inflation quietly destroys wealth. Every time your income rises, do your expenses rise too? Most people upgrade their lifestyle with every raise, ending up stuck in the same financial rut, just with nicer stuff. Millionaires do the opposite. They keep their spending steady and invest the difference. Imagine two people get a raise. One spends it all, the other invests it. In a decade, the investor has a small fortune, the spender has nothing to show. The key is to see every new dollar as a chance to invest, not to spend. Next time you get a raise, automate it into savings or investments before you even see it. Live on your old salary for a year and watch your net worth grow. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is your greatest wealth-building tool. Are you widening that gap or letting it close every time your paycheck grows? Break the cycle. Let your income build your future, not just your lifestyle. Which path are you on? Stealth wealth is the millionaire's way, living well below their means, quietly. They drive reliable cars, live in modest homes, and don't flaunt their money. Their confidence comes from financial security, not from impressing strangers. They spend on what matters: experiences, education, freedom, not on status symbols. The irony? Most people they're trying to impress don't even notice or are playing the same game. Living modestly reduces stress and gives you real freedom, like walking away from a bad job or weathering tough times. Think of Warren Buffett's house or Sam Walton's old truck. True wealth is about values, not appearances. The wealthy buy assets, not liabilities. Are you buying things to use and enjoy or just to be seen? Your answer shapes your financial future. Millionaires draw a hard line between good debt and bad debt. Good debt builds wealth like a mortgage on a sensible home or a business loan. Bad debt, like credit cards and car loans, drains your future for instant gratification. High-interest debt is the enemy of wealth. Millionaires pay off credit cards in full every month. They use debt as a tool, not a trap. Before any big purchase, they ask, is this an asset or a liability? Their rule: assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. If you have bad debt, make eliminating it your top priority. Every dollar paid in interest is a dollar lost to your future. Treat bad debt like a financial emergency. Put out the fire before you build. Do you know your debt and interest rates? That's the first step to freedom. Millionaires don't chase quick wins, they invest for the long haul. They avoid day trading and market timing, choosing low-cost index funds and ETFs. The secret is time in the market, not timing the market. Compound interest works its magic slowly, but relentlessly. They invest consistently, using dollar-cost averaging, buying every month, no matter what the market's doing. This removes emotion and turns volatility into opportunity. You don't need a fortune to start, just consistency and patience. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Are you gambling for quick gains or planting seeds for decades of growth? Start now, invest regularly, and let time do the heavy lifting. Wealth is built by staying the course. Patience is the millionaire's superpower. Wealth isn't built overnight, It's the result of thousands of small, disciplined choices over years. Most millionaires didn't get rich quick. They saved, invested, and waited. When markets crash, the patient keep investing, seeing downturns as opportunities, not disasters. They build careers slowly, focusing on skills and steady growth, not job hopping for quick raises. The long game wins, both in investing and in earning. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Zoom out and see the decades-long journey. The ability to delay gratification and stick to your plan is priceless. Patience costs nothing, but pays for life. Can you commit to the long game? Knowing what millionaires do is one thing. Doing it is another. You don't need a huge income to start, you just need to act. Begin by reviewing your last 3 months of spending. Where's your money really going? Automate your savings. Set up a transfer to savings or investments right after payday. Even 5% of your income is a powerful start. Attack bad debt with every extra dollar. These 2 steps alone can change your financial future. Remember, this is your journey. Set your own goals and timeline. The principles are universal. Live below your means, avoid bad debt, invest for the long term. Focus on small, consistent actions. They compound into extraordinary results. The best day to start is today.